In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can use NFC here on your iPhone. Before you get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point through this guide you do have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. But first things first, it is important to note that NFC is automatically enabled on iPhones. There's no manual on or off toggle in settings. As long as you have an iPhone 7 or newer, your device is going to automatically support NFC. And if you are on an iPhone XS or later, NFC is going to work automatically in the background. But essentially, to use NFC for things like payments or scanning tags, simply hold the top of your iPhone near the NFC reader or tag, and it's going to automatically work. Now, you may need to go ahead and double tap your power button to pull up something like, your Apple Wallet. Because if you want to use it for something like Apple Pay, you would open up your settings, scroll down a little bit, find Wallet on here. And if you scroll down even more, you'll have the option to add your card. Essentially do that and that would work as well. But to manually scan NFC tags, open up the Shortcuts app, tap Automation, create a new personal automation, and select NFC, and your phone will instantly read it. But that is it. That is how NFC works here on your iPhone. If you do have any questions, ask them down in the comment section below, and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Have a great rest of your day, though. Peace.